Oh, let me up with a bright smile on love. Me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our new episode. This is Rona at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe. Click the notification bell para lagi kitang kasama sa lahat ng i-witness ko. Hello, beautiful people! So, today hindi tayo ulit gagala. For today's episode ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aming prenup pictorials or prenup photos, save the date video, and save the date photos. Ang episode na ito ay para sa mga naghahanap din ng ideas for their prenup pictorial. Para magkaroon din kayo ng idea kung ano nga ba yung ginawa namin dun sa save the date video namin for the wedding. This was taken on 2019 and naisip ko lang na i-share sa inyo kasi baka makakuha kayo ng idea for prenup, pictorial, and save the date videos for your wedding. Pero bibigyan ko muna kayo ng konting idea regarding this. Nag-shoot kami sa Manila, Philippines. Siyempre, Philippines. Sa Manila. And then, around Intramuros and Binondo area lang siya. Pero, sobrang galing ng photographer namin na talagang naging very creative siya with the area. Na parang naging tourism video siya ng Manila. Which is maganda kasi parang pinopromote and binamahal natin yung sarili nating bansa. Wow! Well, ayun. Actually ako rin, before namin to gawin, nag-research din ako for ideas. Kaya gusto ko rin tong i-share kasi ganun din yung ginawa ko before. Nag-research ako for ideas, kung ano nga ba yung magandang concept or topic for our pictorial or prenup shoot, save the date video. So, ang concept ko nun sana ay yung mga fun lang. Ayaw namin and yung husband ko ng too much emotional, yung masyadong patwitams, yung mga ganyan. So, nag-isip ako and naghanap ako ng pwedeng magawa namin na yung fun lang, parang papakita lang na happy kayo together. Yung mga ganon. Ang tip ko lang din dun sa mga mag-shoot for their wedding para medyo makatipid din kayo. Ang ginawa namin noon ay yung venue for yung isang location namin for the shoot, doon na rin kami nag-check-in ng hotel the night before para magamit namin yung hotel nila and amenities for the shoot. So, nagamit namin yung room, tapos, kasi may concept yung ang gusto ng husband ko nun ay rooftop. Tapos, parang mga skyscraper ang datingan. So, rooftop, ang ginamit namin ay yung rooftop nung hotel, which is yung hotel namin is sa Intramuros, yung Bay Leaf. Yan. Ayan siya. So, dyan kami nag-check-in. Nag-prepare kami the night before. Ginamit namin yung rooftop nila for the shoot. And then, ginamit din namin yung room for the pictures. So, nasulit-sulit naman namin yung hotel. Hindi lang namin siya tinulugan, ginamit din namin siyang venue. And, ang kagandahan dyan sa Bay Leaf Hotel ng Intramuros, wala silang additional fee. Unlike sa ibang mga hotels na pinag-inquire namin, meron silang extra fee for the pictorial. So, yan. Maganda rin yung location niya and may rooftop nga sila. Yung rooms nila magaganda rin, kaya bagay na bagay for the pictorial. Tapos, nag-outdoor din kami. Naglakad-lakad lang kami around Binondo area. Ayan. So, kaya parang naging fun lang yung concept ng save the date photos namin. I'll show it to you na para naman magka-idea kayo sa mga pinagdadaldal ko dito. Let's watch this!
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, I do. Maria right now. You look into my eyes and I fell a feeling. And nothing got it feel like the same night. Hey, no closer now, waiting for you. But don't hurry, oh sorry. Oh yeah, I'm moving on. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way to twilight, my only, my bestie, to my love. Let me if you want tonight. Even more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name like ooh. Somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it that. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and I found a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like the same night. Hey, come closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow's only just oh yeah. I'm moving forward. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way to twilight, my only, my bestie, to my love. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. I'll treat it like the moment fantasy. Baby, I think about to know. Yeah, I'm moving forward. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way to twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
So, ayan na nga. Yan ang aming prenup photos and save the date videos, pictures noong 2019. February yata ka namin siya shoot. Tapos ang wedding namin is June that year. So, yun. Isa pa nga palang simpleng tip para sa mga bride out there. Yung makeup artist na gagamitin dapat namin for the wedding ay siya na rin yung nag-makeup sa akin nung mismo pictorial and save the date video shoot namin. So, ayan. Para, ang tawag doon yung nakalimutan ko yung term, pero yung parang trial for the makeup. Kung bagay kay bride yung magiging outcome ng makeup. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin that day para masulit nyo naman yung makeup kasi merong mga, may extra, may bayad na yun eh. So, para masulit mo naman din siya at magamit mo for the shoot, itapat mo na lang din na schedule nyo for the prenup pictorial. And, yun nga lang yung sa akin kasi hindi siya masyadong bumagay sa mukha ko. So, naghanap pa kami. After nung, ginamit ko pa rin siya, pero after nung shoot na yan, naghanap pa kami ng ibang makeup artist na mas babagay sana sa face ko. So, nag-try pa ulit kami. Pero nung the next time na nag-try kami, hindi, tapos na yung shoot. So, nagpa-picture na lang kami. Kasi nga, naka-makeup na rin lang ako that day. Tapos, ayun. Yung second na makeup artist, yun yung nakuha ko for the wedding. Well, anyway, ayun nga, sana nagka-idea kayo for your prenup or save the date videos or photos para sa wedding nyo. Well, next episode ay i-share ko naman ang aming wedding videos. So, abangan natin yan kung gusto nyo rin magka-idea about to wedding preparation and wedding eclavu. Charot, charot. Well, anyway, thank you for watching our episode for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next episode!